AI-Augmented Interface blends real-time data with virtual information overlaid in the physical world. In a one-time setup, the operator places virtual panels near the physical machines. Once set up, the operator gains access to a dashboard featuring several panels. The timeline panel displays both real-time and historical data, making it easier to track the manufacturing process. The performance panel highlights key factory metrics, helping the operator quickly assess performance. The objectives panel shows current scheduling objectives with an adjustable slider for easy fine-tuning. The machine view appears by each machine, displaying key metrics and the latest bits, providing the operator with instant context. With this interface, operators can easily interpret complex data, boosting transparency in production and improving decision-making.